Good morning. Yesterday morning, I shared with you my disgust at Red Sox pitcher David Price over his juvenile effort to bully Red Sox broadcaster Eckersley for having made critical comments about some of his teammates, as reported by Boston Globe columnist Dan Shaughnessy. Well, if you missed it, Price confronted Eckersley on the team plane, verbally belittling and cursing at him. And it seems this story has struck a nerve based on the outpouring of response from our viewers and online visitors. Here's a sampling of the nearly unanimous condemnation of Price. Quote, "For someone like Price, who hasn't even earned his keep, to sound off on one of Boston's best pitchers speaks volumes of negativity," writes Lorraine. "What happened to respect toward fellow players, past and present? Eckersley's baseball achievements alone demand respect," adds Elaine. Price's ego is very delicate now because of his less than desirable performance as a Red Sox. It is no excuse for his behavior, though. And there is plenty of fan disdain to go around for the players who applauded Price's tantrum and the so far silent Red Sox management. Quoting again, "Where is the manager when all this is going on? Wouldn't it be his job to step in and say, 'This isn't right'?" asks Judy. "I was so disappointed to hear there were players who applauded the disrespectful antics of David Price," says Deborah. "What is wrong with manager John Farrell in the front office that they can't publicly apologize to Eckersley? I am totally disgusted." And if they're listening over on Yawkey Way, take note, this gaffe may not blow over quickly. Notes Keith, "This is probably the most unlikable Red Sox team since 2001 or 2012. They just seem to have a chip on their shoulders about everything." So what's your take on all this? Email me at Keller at wbz-tv.com or use Twitter at Keller at Large.